Hello everyone, and welcome back to Bilal Consultancy. Today, we have an informative and practical video lined up for you. We'll be diving into the world of quality management and discussing a powerful tool, the A3 report. In this video, we'll explore what an A3 report is and guide you through the step-by-step process of developing one. Let's get started. To begin, let's understand. What is an A3 report quality tool? The A3 report is a problem-solving and communication tool that originated in Japan as part of the Toyota Production System, TPS, and lean manufacturing methodologies. The term A3 refers to the international paper size, 11.7 times 16.5 inches or 297 times 420 millimeters, which is the standard paper size used for these reports. The A3 report is an effective way to document the process of problem-solving, improvements, and project management on a single sheet of paper. Let's delve into the detailed history of the A3 report. Origins in Toyota Production System, TPS. The A3 report finds its roots in the Toyota Production System, TPS, often considered the precursor to lean manufacturing. TPS, developed by Toyota in the mid-20th century, focused on eliminating waste, improving efficiency, and optimizing production processes. Quality circles and Kaizen. Toyota, as part of TPS, emphasized the involvement of employees in problem-solving and continuous improvement. Quality circles and Kaizen, continuous improvement, practices were fundamental aspects of TPS. Workers were encouraged to engage in identifying problems and proposing solutions to enhance quality and productivity. Development of the A3 report. The A3 report was developed as a way to facilitate structured problem-solving and communication within Toyota. The term A3 reflects the standard paper size used to create these reports, making it a simple and standardized format for documenting improvement projects. Spread to the West. The A3 report gained popularity and began to spread beyond Toyota and Japan, particularly in the 1980s and 1990s. Western organizations adopted the A3 report as a powerful tool for visualizing and communicating improvement efforts and problem-solving initiatives. Integration into lean thinking. The A3 report became an integral part of lean thinking, a management philosophy that aims to maximize value while minimizing waste. Lean emphasizes improving processes by identifying and eliminating non-value-adding activities through continuous improvement and respect for people. Adoption in various industries. Over time, the A3 report was adopted not only in manufacturing but across various industries, including healthcare, services, and software development. Its success lies in its simplicity, encouraging a structured and collaborative approach to problem-solving and continuous improvement. Global utilization and evolution. The A3 report evolved beyond its traditional form, incorporating additional elements such as the PDCA, Plan Do Check Act, Cycle, DMAIC, Define, Measure, Analyze, Improve, Control, Methodology, and other improvement frameworks. It has become a widely recognized and utilized tool for problem-solving and process improvement worldwide. Today, the A3 report continues to be a fundamental tool for lean practitioners and organizations seeking to enhance quality, streamline processes, and drive continuous improvement initiatives. Its legacy is deeply tied to the principles of lean thinking and its practical applications in various industries. Here's an overview of the key elements and purpose of an A3 report. Standardized structure. The A3 report follows a standardized structure, dividing information into clearly defined sections. This structure helps organize thoughts, data, and analysis in a systematic and efficient manner. Problem-solving and decision-making. A3 reports are primarily used for problem-solving and decision-making processes. They provide a structured approach to defining a problem, analyzing its root causes, proposing countermeasures, implementing solutions, and reviewing outcomes. Visual representation. A3 reports use visual elements such as charts, diagrams, and images to present data and information in an easy-to-understand format. Visual representation aids in communicating complex ideas and solutions effectively. Conciseness and simplicity. The A3 report encourages brevity and simplicity. It promotes focusing on the essential aspects of a problem, its causes, proposed actions, and results, avoiding unnecessary detail. Collaboration and communication. A3 reports facilitate collaboration and communication among team members and stakeholders. Presenting information in a clear and organized manner enhances understanding and encourages constructive discussions and decision-making. Continuous improvement. The A3 report aligns with the principles of continuous improvement. It enables organizations to document improvement initiatives, track progress, and learn from past experiences to drive ongoing enhancements and efficiency gains. PDCA cycle integration. The A3 report often integrates the PDCA, Plan Do Check Act, cycle, a fundamental tool in quality management. The report guides users through the PDCA phases, from planning and execution to checking results and adjusting actions accordingly. Flexibility and adaptability. While the A3 report has a standardized structure, it allows flexibility in its application. It can be tailored to suit various types of projects, whether related to process improvement, problem solving, project management, or strategy deployment. The A3 report is a flexible tool that can be used to solve a wide variety of problems. It is a great way to improve quality, reduce costs, and increase efficiency. Here are some examples of how the A3 report can be used. To improve customer satisfaction. To reduce product defects. To increase production efficiency. To shorten lead times. To reduce waste. To improve safety. If you are looking for a way to improve your problem-solving skills and to achieve continuous improvement, the A3 report is a great tool to use. Now, let's move on to the structure of an A3 report. Creating an A3 report involves tailoring the structure and content to fit a specific problem, project, or improvement initiative. Below, I'll provide an example of an A3 report for a hypothetical problem, followed by a detailed explanation of each section. A3 report example: Improving customer service response time. Title: Improving customer service response time. Section 1. Background or current state. The current average response time for customer service inquiries is 48 hours. This is causing customer dissatisfaction and affecting our customer retention rates. Complaints regarding delayed responses have been increasing steadily over the last quarter. Section 2. Goals or desired state. Our goal is to reduce the average response time to customer inquiries to 24 hours within the next 3 months. This improvement will significantly enhance customer satisfaction and retention, demonstrating our commitment to excellent service. Section 3. Root cause analysis. Cause 1. Insufficient staffing in the customer service department due to recent company growth. Cause 2. Inefficient email handling processes resulting in delays. Cause 3. Lack of a centralized tracking system for inquiries. Section 4. Countermeasures or action plan. Increase staffing. Hire 2 additional customer service representatives to handle the increased volume of inquiries effectively. Responsible person. HR manager. Action. Advertise and hire suitable candidates by the end of this month. Timeline. Within 4 weeks. Optimize email handling process. Responsible person. Customer service manager. Action. Streamline email response procedures and establish a priority-based system for urgent queries. Timeline. Within 2 weeks. Implement a centralized tracking system. Responsible person. IT department. Action. Develop and integrate a centralized tracking system for customer inquiries. Timeline. Within 6 weeks. Section 5. Implementation and follow-up. Regular meetings will be scheduled to track progress, address any issues, and ensure timely implementation of the action plan. Weekly updates will be shared with the management team. Section 6. Results and follow-up. After the actions are implemented, monitor the average response time weekly. If the goal is met, conduct a survey to gather customer feedback. If improvements are needed, reassess the action plan and make necessary adjustments. Visuals and data representation. Pareto chart, showing the main reasons for delayed responses. Gantt chart, illustrating the timeline for the action plan. Before and after table, comparing response times before and after implementing the changes. This example demonstrates how an A3 report is structured, outlining a problem, goals, root causes, action plan, implementation, and follow-up steps. Visuals and data representation aid in presenting the information clearly and concisely. The report guides the team in solving the problem and monitoring the outcomes effectively. Developing an A3 report involves a step-by-step process to structure and document your problem-solving and improvement efforts. Below is a detailed explanation of each step in creating an A3 report. How to develop it step by step. Step 1. Define the problem and establish objectives. Identify the problem. Clearly define the issue or problem that needs to be addressed. Ensure that the problem is specific, measurable, and relevant to your organization's goals. Understand the current state. Gather data and background information related to the problem to provide context and a clear understanding of the current situation. Establish objectives, desired state. Define what success looks like. Set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART, objectives or goals you aim to achieve through this improvement initiative. Step 2. Conduct a root cause analysis. Brainstorm possible causes. Engage a cross-functional team to brainstorm and list potential root causes contributing to the problem. Use root cause analysis tools. Apply tools like the 5 Whys, fishbone diagram, Ishikawa, or Pareto analysis to dig deeper and identify the underlying reasons for the problem. Step 3. Develop an action plan. Prioritize root causes. Select the most critical root causes that need to be addressed to achieve the desired state. Propose countermeasures and actions. Develop specific actions or countermeasures to address the identified root causes. Assign responsibilities, set deadlines, and outline expected outcomes for each action. Step 4. Create the A3 report structure. Section 1. Background or current state. Provide a clear description of the problem, its impact, and the context. Present data that supports the existence and significance of the problem. Section 2. Goals or desired state. Clearly articulate the goals or desired outcomes of the improvement initiative. Make sure the goals align with the objectives established earlier. Section 3. Root cause analysis. Summarize the root causes identified in the analysis phase. Present the cause and effect relationships using visuals like fishbone diagrams if appropriate. Section 4. Countermeasures or action plan. Detail the proposed actions, responsible persons, action steps, deadlines, and expected results for each countermeasure. Section 5. Implementation and follow-up. Describe how the action plan will be executed, how progress will be monitored, and how results will be measured. Outline how the team will communicate and collaborate during the implementation phase. Section 6. Results and follow-up. After implementing the action plan, document the actual results achieved. Compare these results with the desired outcomes. Suggest further improvements or adjustments if necessary. Step 5. Populate the A3 report. Data collection and analysis. Gather data and information relevant to each section from the problem analysis, root cause analysis, and action planning stages. Collaborative input. Involve cross-functional team members in providing input and insights for each section, ensuring a comprehensive and well-rounded view. Visual representation. Use charts, diagrams, and other visuals to present data and information clearly and concisely within the report. Step 6. Review and refine. Review and validation. Review the completed A3 report with the team and stakeholders to ensure accuracy, relevance, and alignment with the problem and goals. Incorporate feedback. Incorporate feedback and suggestions for improvement from the team and stakeholders, making necessary adjustments to enhance the report's quality and effectiveness. Step 7. Present and monitor progress. Present the A3 report. Share the A3 report with the team and relevant stakeholders, presenting the problem, analysis, action plan, and expected outcomes. Monitor progress and adjust. Regularly review progress against the action plan and update the A3 report as needed. Adjust actions, timelines, or strategies based on real-time data and results. By following these steps, you can effectively develop an A3 report to guide your problem-solving and improvement efforts, ensuring a structured approach and facilitating communication and collaboration within your team. Conclusion: the A3 report is a powerful tool for problem-solving and continuous improvement. By following the steps in this guide, you can develop an A3 report that will help you to solve your problems and achieve your goals. And there you have it, a comprehensive overview of what an A3 report is and how to develop it step by step. Remember, effective use of the A3 report can significantly enhance problem-solving and decision-making within your organization. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about A3 reports, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on quality tools and techniques.